To connect BitMart to GOATS, you need to understand that BitMart is a cryptocurrency exchange and GOATS is likely a trading bot or platform. The first step is to create an account on both BitMart and GOATS. If you have not already done so, on BitMart, go to the account settings and generate an API key. This will be used to connect to GOATS. Next, log into your GOATS account and navigate to the Settings or Configuration section. Look for the option to add a new exchange and select BitMart from the list of available exchanges. You will then be prompted to enter your BitMart API key and API secret, which you generated earlier. Enter the API key and secret exactly as they appear in your BitMart account, making sure not to add any extra spaces or characters. Once you have entered the API credentials, click the Save or Connect button to establish the connection between BitMart and GOATS. After connecting, you may need to configure additional settings such as the trading pair or wallet permissions. Depending on the specific requirements of your GOATS setup, it is essential to follow best practices for API security, such as limiting the permissions of the API key and using a secure connection. By following these steps, you should be able to successfully connect BitMart to GOATS, enabling you to automate your trading activities and take advantage of the features offered by both platforms. Always ensure that you are using the most up-to-date information and following the official documentation for both BitMart and GOATS to avoid any potential issues or security risks.